It started with my father-in-law. We came across a sheet metal company that was for sale, and we started developing our first enclosures.
And Bison ProFab was just this single building you're looking at now. The fabrication, the welding, the assembly, the shipping was all in one building.
From then, we've added on. We've added on 8 buildings. It's 10 acres, and we started with 2 people, and now we're upwards around 60 people plus.
Our entire shop is backed up by technology. We automated the entire facility, from robotic welders to robotic bent press to robotic gasket pouring place machines.
We just put in a brand new powder coat facility, as well as arranging shipments through our shipping and receiving department, which allows us to be competitive, and it allows us to be truly turnkey.
We do everything in-house. So when the product ship out of here, it goes from all the metal that got processed, bent, painted, assembled, and then tested, and then certified with our labels.
We've grown that from the traffic industry to NASA to military projects, Department of Defense, pharmaceutical, aerospace.
Now we have deployed over 72 countries, some of the most remote access areas like the rainforest in Brazil and the deserts of Bahrain and the part of the skin of Saudi Arabia, and all over Europe as well.
Any type of hazardous location demands these type of enclosures.
We back them up with a design that's recognized worldwide through the UL listing and also through the ATEX.
And we're also ISO 9000 as well, which is a recognized standard. We build to NEMA standards, so when you come to Bison, you're getting all the benefits of worldwide recognition and certification. A customer may have a concept that they want to use in their project, but they come to us because we have over 100 years of knowledge with our drafting department, our engineers, our sales team. So we're able to provide solutions that perhaps the customer didn't think of, that tend to be more cost effective or give you a far superior product than what you had hoped for.
I think we can match our quality with anybody. We check every process throughout, from the initial punch process, weld process, final assembly. The final process before shipping would be the quality control. We're responsible for the entire process all the way through the system. So it just amazes me, the technology and how far it's advanced at Bison ProFab.
It started with the vision that people needed to have quality enclosures that they could depend on, and we felt like we could provide that. People want that Bison brand, and to know that you have the majority of the people here at Bison have been here over 10 years, over 20 years, and some from the beginning are still here. That's the culture we want. That's what we've cultivated. That's why we'll be here another 25 years.